All right, Google Classroom tip number 11. And we're going to head back to assignment. I'm going to talk to you about something that I've already alluded to a little bit, and it's a fantastic element that really sets Google Classroom apart from a lot of other applications. So we're going to head back to our assignments. Okay, so say that maybe we would like to differentiate our assignments within our classroom, but we don't necessarily want our students to know that that person has a different version to that person and that person, that person, that person, etc. So what we can do is we can create this just like normal, and then over here on the right-hand side is where the magic happens. So you will see here that we have this assign to option again. All right. Now this has come up in the materials, which I showed you earlier. And this is where you can actually decide who you are going to assign this particular assignment to. So maybe we have two versions, okay? And one version is a little bit easier with more scaffolding for particular students than the other version. So we can actually create these assignments separately and assign them to those students who need that additional support. So no one's going to know that they've got something different, okay? They're going to jump in and they are going to get started with that particular assignment. So it is so easy to differentiate and support your students by creating and assigning those different assignments and those different tasks in your assignment option in Google Classroom. So simple, and it is going to make your students appreciate the fact that they have been catered for and their learning needs and experiences are being met in a really super amazing way.